Hello, I chose Little Miami River watershed from my project. There's a nice picture of a gorge and the headwaters of this watershed. Okay, so this watershed is located in southwestern Ohio. It covers a wide area. It drains roughly 1,758 square miles of area over 11 counties. And this includes many large municipalities, including the eastern portion of Cincinnati, which is predominantly suburban development. The land use as a whole can be divided into a patchy mosaic of agricultural and urban areas. Furthermore, the watershed consists mainly of the Little Miami River, which is referred to as the main stem, whereas the East Fork is a smaller yet significant portion of the watershed, which you can't really see from the picture. Okay. So as for designation and uses in the watershed, Little Miami Main Stem is considered a national scenic river by the federal government. This is designated under the Wild and Scenic Rivers Act of the Department of the Interior and generally labeled under the criteria as having outstandingly remarkable value. By the Ohio EPA, it is designated as an exceptional warm water habitat and supports a full range of aquatic and recreational uses. This river is regularly monitored for water quality changes and biological diversity. East Fork, on the other hand, is deemed an exceptional warm water habitat in the past, but currently has a host of issues in certain reaches and tributaries, making it kind of a gray area now. A recreational boating and fishing lake, Lake Harsha, which you cannot really see. It's located on the lower half of the East Fork, and that's experienced severe algal blooms over the past several summers. And now it's the subject of research for both the US and Ohio EPA for a ton of ecological projects. Clearly, the East Fork has been the victim of more impairment in all use areas. Studies have shown many tributaries to be impaired due to bacterial contamination and extreme nutrient enrichment suspected from surrounding non-point sources, such as agriculture and farming. The lake has been closed to recreational activities quite routinely, um, especially over the past several summers, and it continues to be a concern for 303T listings. Those seem to be the most updated listings I could find on my watershed. Now, the total maximum daily load. These have been approved for the Little Miami main stem in the past, and more current TMDLs are under review to implement moving forward. Now, the emphasis on the watershed TMDLs has been on the East Fork, again, due to the mounting concerns of impairment. This area, which you can see the northern portion, bottom right, uh, is Lake Harsha on the satellite image here, and it's experienced rapid urbanization and has had a much more noticeable impact on this part of the watershed because it feeds into the main stem. And that's it.